but we cannot use directly this file in the IMAPs. So first we need to reproject IMAP supported projections. For that I'm gonna reproject this in a world map using world miller cylindrical. So in order to reproject projection, so first select the the shapefile and hold shift command P. It will open and select the CRS type miller and select the world miller cylindrical. Please note it down this project for we need this one when we plotting the world map. Okay, keep it inverted for and click OK. So now it is got reproject using world miller cylindrical. Now we need a GeoJSON file, not shapefile, to plot using um, plot plot using IMAPs. So for that I am saving this shapefile as a GeoJSON. Okay, select the format as a JSON and choose the way you wanna save. I'm naming it world map dot JSON and select the CRS as a world miller cylindrical. um, there's a lot of this file has a lot of fields, so we don't need all the fields because it will unnecessarily increase the file size. So in order to reduce, I will keep only the two fields, ISO2 and name. Okay, now click OK. It is got saved here. Okay, that's it. Thank you.